नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे चैनल चारू चौधरी में। आज इस वीडियो में एक ऐसे जो कि मैं बताऊंगी, आप लिख सकते हैं हाउ आई स्पेंट माई हॉलीडेज। आपने अपने जो हॉलीडेज हैं उनको कैसे बिताया, उससे रिलेटेड ये जो ऐसे है ये आपके सामने मैं पेश करने वाली हूँ। जिसने भी अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है दोस्तों, फटाफट से कर दीजिए और शेयर भी कर दीजिएगा। तो हमारा टॉपिक है हाउ आई स्पेंट माई हॉलीडेज। Well, how great and happy it feels when we plan for vacations. It is the best thing to think about. It is the best time for all of us. Whenever I am free, I think of spending some time with my family. Since I am studying away from my home, I always miss my home. I miss my family, I miss the food of my house. The worst thing that we have to face is the degraded food. It is hilarious over here. For the students in hostels can relate to this problem. Home is home. There is no comparison to it. No money and no materialistic thing can match up with the pleasure and satisfaction that is given only by our home. It is given only by our family. I always wait for my summer vacations to come. It is the only time when I go to home after a very long period of time. I get a holiday of around a month. This time we plan to go outside on a tour. I waited eagerly for the days to pass. I was counting every single day of my college. I had even made a calendar wherein I used to put a cross mark on the days. This was the level of my excitement. It was so because this time it was not just about meeting my family but going on a tour. It had been a very long since we went on a holiday trip together. It was going to be a very memorable one. Everything was planned and I was about to leave for the home. It was a very good feeling going to home. I was on my seat traveling by train. I enjoyed the green crops passing by me through the window. Since I live in a metropolitan city, I do not used to see things. It feels like home to see the greenery. Everything charges me up and remind me that I am getting closer and closer to my hometown. Finally, I reached home. I felt so relaxed and happy to see my people waiting at the door in order to welcome me. The joy and satisfaction had another level. The feeling was such that it cannot be put down into words. I felt heavenly. I felt the home. Now it was time for the final discussion of the planning. Well, it turned out to be a surprise for me. Our trip was planned for Jaipur. It is the capital city of the state Rajasthan. It is very famous for the palaces and the historical stories. I had a special kind of affinity for the historical places. The very famous Hawa Mahal is also built in that city. It is also known as the Pink City. This is Pink City of our country. Amidst all the planning, I came to know that we were to travel by airplane. This was like a huge surprise for me since I had never traveled in an aeroplane. It was a very big thing for me. It leveled up my excitement into another level. I was very happy. There was no news that could match up to my happiness that I felt after hearing that plan. I started up packing my bag. I kept all my best dresses for the trip. I kept more of ethnic clothes since it belonged to historical values. I kept matching pairs of earrings with my dresses. I made all my preparations. The very next day we had to leave for the airport. My excitement could not let me sleep for the whole night. We woke up next morning and headed towards the airport. For the first time I went to an airport. It was very grand and big one. It was beautiful in the structure and design. I looked at everything with much amusement. We boarded the flight. I enjoyed my flight. I saw the air hostess serving us. I enjoyed each and every bit of the flight. We launched, we landed and headed towards our hotel. Yes, it is so true that the city was a pink city. Every building there was pink in pink color. It felt so mesmerizing to look at. The architect of the hotels was in the form of a palace. Everything was so beautiful there. I felt good to have come to that place. We reached our hotel and got ready for the day. We decided first to visit Amir Ka Killa. It was a beautiful one. It was massive. It was huge. It was very captivating. I did not which side to look at. The royalness of the palace could be felt by each one of us. The architecture was great. The paintings were amazing. Everything was so beautiful and different. I did not feel like moving. I used to get at one place. The beauty was such that one could stand and gaze at it for hours. We saw the rooms where Jodha Bhai lived. After the Killa, we went to another fort. We went to Jaigarh Fort. In that fort, there is largest weapon that was used in battle at that point of time. It has its name in the Guinness Book of World Records too. It was big, it was huge, it was gigantic. The fort was on height. After that, we went to Nahargarh Fort. The fort was at the highest peak of the city. From there, We could see the entire city. It was very beautiful to look at. The beauty could not be described in mere words. I loved that place. It had grabbed me in such a way that I did not want to leave that place. We saw the Hawa Mahal, we saw the Chaukidhani. It was famous for the varieties of Rajasthani dishes that it served to the tourists. It had a great taste. The city was beautiful. We bought the famous lehengas of that palace. It was a wonderful trip. I enjoyed a lot with my family. This was how I spent my holidays. तो दोस्तों, उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको ये ऐसे पसंद आया होगा। अगर आपको पसंद आया तो आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में भी लिख के बताइएगा। और अगर आपको कोई और ऐसे टॉपिक चाहिए, अगर आपको ऐसा चाहते हैं तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में मैसेज कीजिएगा। आपके लिए हो सकेगा तो मैं पूरी मदद करने की कोशिश करूँगी। थैंक यू वेरी मच।